What is an operational level agreement, OLA? Service level agreements, or SLAs, tend to get all the attention, but what about the behind the scenes work that makes them possible? That's where operational level agreements, or OLAs, come in. In this video, we'll be covering OLAs, their importance, and what makes a good OLA. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. What is an operational level agreement? An OLA is an internal contract between support teams within an organization. Unlike SLAs, which focus on external customers, OLAs set the expectations, responsibilities, and performance standards for internal teams. They help streamline service delivery by defining how teams collaborate and create a strong operational backbone. OLAs are critical in IT service management for several reasons, including enhancing team coordination, improving service delivery, establishing accountability, providing clear internal structures for SLA support, ensuring external customers receive consistent services, boosting transparency within the team, preventing miscommunication and misunderstandings. Core components of an OLA. At its core, an OLA clarifies roles, facilitates teamwork, and sets performance benchmarks. A strong OLA will have key components that ensure every moving part of the operation is aligned. These core components include an introduction explaining its purpose, scope of services and teams covered, detailed roles and responsibilities, a description of services provided, specific performance metrics and standards, and guidelines for communication and escalation. How to create an effective of an OLA. Now that we've discussed what an OLA is and its benefits, let's talk about how to create one. Creating an effective OLA involves several key steps to ensure it effectively outlines the roles, responsibilities, and expectations between internal teams. Start by involving the right teams early to clarify the agreement's scope and objectives. Next, collaborate with all stakeholders to define clear, realistic goals and responsibilities. Ensure that performance metrics are both measurable and achievable. Use simple, direct language to avoid confusion. Finally, OLAs should be reviewed regularly to adapt to new processes, technologies, or organizational changes. A flexible and well-maintained OLA supports long-term success. For more information, check out our official blog post on what is an operational level agreement, OLA, linked in the description below.